In a surprising turn of events, a 78-year-old woman was kicked off a luxury yacht before the crew realized who she was. But who is this mystery woman, and what led to her being asked to leave the yacht? Stay tuned to find out. Edith, who had been living in Florida for a long time, decided to celebrate her upcoming 75th birthday with a cruise to the Bahamas. Despite her financial struggles, she saved every penny to enjoy the luxurious amenities of the ship. However, upon arriving at the port of Miami, she felt lost and alone amidst the well-dressed and happy crowds. Despite this, she was determined to embark on her journey and make the most out of it. As she joined the line for boarding, she went through a metal detector, causing an alarm to go off, and a security guard motioned for her to step out. She felt embarrassed as she stood with her arms open wide while the guard scanned her for illegal items. Passengers in the line whispered and snickered, with a young woman even making a derogatory remark about the holdup. Did a simple habit make Edith the subject of ridicule during a routine security check at the port? Keep watching to find out. Edith reached the counter to board the luxury Bahamas cruise, but faced scrutiny over her ticket. She was in the wrong line and was directed by the inspector to the premium passengers line, causing whispers and stares that embarrassed her. But little did they know that Edith was about to surprise them all. Elderly Miss Marshall couldn't find her premium cabin on the cruise ship, but a crew member escorted her. A wealthy man questioned her presence, leading to insults from other passengers. Miss Marshall left defeated. What happened then? Stay tuned to find out. A sailor, who had previously helped her, comforts Miss Marshall and discovers a photo of a boy in her pocket. Miss Marshall reveals that the boy is her son and the captain of the cruise ship. Later, during a conversation, Miss Marshall reveals her humble beginnings and responsibilities, including caring for her sick sister while her mother worked. Tragedy struck her life when her childhood home caught fire, killing her mother and sister. Miss Marshall was left alone with only memories of her family and a gold pendant her father gave her. During a severe winter, tragedy struck when Lily, Edith's sister-in-law, fell ill with pneumonia, and Walter, Edith's husband, also became sick while transporting Lily to the city hospital. Walter died, leaving Edith and her mother to deal with Lily's death and their grief. Edith also discovered that she was pregnant, but her mother's worsening dementia made it difficult for her to care for her son Ken. Eventually, Edith made the heartbreaking decision to give Ken up for adoption to a childless farming couple who could provide him with a better life. Although it was a painful decision, Edith knew it was the best choice for her son's future. After many years of searching, Edith finally discovered that her son, now a successful captain, was on the same luxury cruise ship as her. With the help of a non-profit organization, she was able to secure a premium suite ticket and be as close to her son as possible. Standing in the lobby, Edith felt a mixture of anticipation and chaos as she awaited her reunion. What could be more heartwarming than a mother's search for her long-lost son, culminating in a reunion on a luxury cruise ship? In a heartwarming moment, Ken Marshall, the captain of the ship, made a special announcement over the loudspeakers, inspiring all those who listened. He spoke about the challenges of life and the importance of forgiveness. But what surprised everyone the most was when he revealed that his birth mother, known as Mrs. Edith, was on board with him. The reunion between mother and son was emotional and joyous. With tears and hugs shared between the two, Edith presented Kent with a pendant that had belonged to her father killed in the war, the last remaining relic of their family. Ken, deeply moved by his mother's determination to find him, thanked her for never giving up on him. Finally reunited, they were able to spend time together and catch up on the years that had been lost. The journey of Edith to find her son and Ken's forgiveness of his mother served as a powerful reminder that even in the darkest of times, hope and reconciliation are possible. It's a story that will continue to inspire and uplift people for years to come, reminding all of us about the importance of forgiveness, love, and family.